Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make a caramel Twix ice cream. Really tasty. Let's get started. Alright, get a wide mixing bowl. I'm putting 600 milliliters of heavy whipping cream. Now, whip it until it's pale and creamy. Alright, now get a 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Get a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now just pour this through. Then you put a 1 cup of caramel sauce. Or I'm using a caramel topping. And now just mix this through. Now get some Twix bars, about 100 grams or so. I'll cut it into pieces. Chuck it in there. And then mix this through. And now get the mixture and pour it in a container. Ooh. This is really yummy. And then put the lid on. Put this in the freezer for about 4 to 6 hours or probably overnight and we'll see how it goes. Oh, this is so creamy. Yum. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for our caramel Twix ice cream. As you can see, oh, so creamy. Let's just taste test. Oh, so scrumptious. Perfect. So thank you guys so much for watching the new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you next Wednesday for a new recipe. Peace out.